How to draw a Thanksgiving turkey, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our turkey today, we're going to begin by drawing the beak, right here towards the top left hand side of the page. And keep in mind that the beak that we draw will come to a small point. Then, once we draw the beak, we'll go ahead and draw the gizzard around it. So let's go ahead and draw that gizzard that I previously mentioned, and if you're new to the channel then welcome. We regularly upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Nicely done, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're not going to finish drawing the face just yet. Before we do that, let's go right below and to the right. Here we're going to draw the first and only wing of our turkey that will be facing us. For the first part of the wing, let's just draw a long curved line going from left to right. This will be the top part of the wing. Great, next let's go ahead and connect the left side to the right. It's almost kind of funny because the wing of our turkey looks similar to a small cloud. So now, going through the center of the wing, we're going to want to draw a curvy stripe. This stripe should have in total 3 curves, similar to the bottom of the wing. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So now that we have the wing drawn, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the top of the head by drawing a curved line that will connect from what we first drew together all the way down to the wing that we just made. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and draw a small shape that looks similar to an oval going up and down for the one and only eye that we'll draw today. And for the pupil, we're just going to draw a simple small black dot. So now, similar to what we previously did for the top of the head, we're now going to use a long curved line to connect from the beak and gizzard to the bottom of the wing that we previously drew together. So now that we have the feather and body drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the back feathers. This will connect from the left side of the body all the way over to the right. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Are you all done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to want to draw lines that will connect from the inside points of the back feathers. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go to the bottom of the body and draw the 2 legs and feet. In total, our turkey should only have 3 toes. This is how to draw a Thanksgiving turkey. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more Thanksgiving drawing tutorials just like today's video, then be sure to check out the links to the videos I put down in the description below. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.